This is the Timber Ridge collapsible double-decker wagon. I'm going to show you how to take it apart, show you all the features of it to make sure this is the one you want to get. Okay, first things first, you are going to want to see this Velcro strap right here and how it straps underneath and through here. You're going to want to undo that. There is one on both of the sides. So you're going to undo those first in order to be able to pull the cover off. Okay. There's also a zipper on the side here that you can unzip just to allow the cover to be able to pull and lift right up. Inside the cover, there is also a pocket, and this is where the base of the wagon goes that we are going to unfold and put in after we get this open. Okay, so once you have the cover off, pretty much all you're going to do is just push your wagon out. You can push it from opposite ends. I find that helps get it out. But then ultimately in the inside here, you'll see this kind of strap. This is the strap you actually pull when you're trying to collapse the wagon. You're just going to firmly press that down. There's no click or, lock out by any means. Just give it a firm press down so that your wagon takes its shape. And this is then where you can grab the insert out of the pocket from the cover. And then we just open this up. And this goes right inside the base of the wagon for the bottom of it. Okay, so that is your basic wagon. You could just simply use it like that. We have the handle here. It's like a telescopic handle. You can use it just like so. Again, you can have it come even farther if you're taller, like we are. So we'll probably actually end up using the whole telescopic handle. Buttons on the side here that will just collapse everything and it will lock back in place. Okay, so before we do any more, let's just go through some of the features of the wagon here. So we have on the side, we've got have 1 and 2 water bottle carriers. I mean, you could obviously use these for anything, but they are designed for water bottles. We see the wagon, the wheels themselves are just a super nice, solid, they're kind of lined with rubber as well. So these are going to be a good, solid, heavy duty wheel for going over pretty much any terrain. They also have locks as well. If you want to lock them so that it won't move, you just push it down, okay, or pull them up. So it rolls incredibly easily. You can see that they are a 360-degree spinning wheel. These are not going to get stuck. You can see along the bottom here, there's like an extra sort of mesh bag for throwing some things on the side. This is simply the clip that the strap goes through for the cover. Okay, in the back here, just all the way around, let you see. It's just a really nice size wagon, right? Okay, now what we can do is lift the wagon. This is a double-decker wagon. You can see these red clips all along the sides. They're on all 4 corners. You need to step on the wheel in order to get it to slide. Go. These are going to slide up and they can lock into place. It will click like so on all 4 sides. Okay, slide up here. You can see that's got the little clip here that is where it locks in place, like so. Just make sure all 4 sides have been snapped into place. That way you are ensured that it will not fall. Okay, so now you can see we have our double decker. So you can see that mesh bag along the bottom is actually like a full second wagon, essentially, which is going to be super handy for all of the things that we need to take in it. So we have our kind of like a tailgate. It just pops right down like so. It's just extra reinforced with these straps, and you can throw a tent, you can throw camping chairs. We will likely be throwing those very things in it because this is going to be used mostly for going to baseball games and tournaments and things. So you can see here, We have the little clasps that are going to snap this back right up when you do not need that extra space out the end. You still have the extra storage space underneath there. Okay, so overall, that's it. That's the Wagon. Again, this is going to be amazing for bringing all of the things from the parking lot to the baseball diamonds. You could use this for camping. You can use it for kids. You could fit a lot of things in there. The kids in the top, all of the extras in the bottom. This will be so handy. Get lots of use out of it. Again, the material is very durable. Okay, everything is stitched really well. The frame is very sturdy. Again, rolls really easily. The wheels lock, double decker. You can fit everything in here. So we have it in our full double decker. You need to pop this back in your car. Your baseball game's over. You're just going to undo your 4 red clips on both sides in order to collapse the Wagon all the way down. You're going to take out the insert that we have here. And that strap I showed you on the inside of the Wagon, you simply are going to pull that up to pull it all together. Squish it up together. This strap here, this red one, is for you to be able to lock it nice and closed together, just to make it easier to be able to get our cover back on. Again, tuck the zipper on the outside in order to be able to get it on easier. So once that's down, we can zip it shut. And we have these straps on both sides to strap back together just to hold it down. Our insert that you put, there's the pocket on the back for it, slides in there, and we're good to throw it in the back of your car, ready for next time.